Welcome back. Tuesday's vote on the $450 million Wichita public school bond will have a major implication for the district and also taxpayers as well. Property taxes have become a concern for Kansas, and it's driven in part by increasing home values. For people living in the Wichita School District, Tuesday's vote would determine a portion of people's property tax rate for the next 20 years. In this Fact Finder investigation, Sean Logging takes a look at what it could mean for what you pay.
The Wichita School District, and yes, for Wichita kids, puts it this way. The $450 million bond is a zero rate change. That means this bond will not change the tax rate that property owners pay based on the tax rate set by the 2008 bond. Vote No bond says, if passed, increasing property valuations will pay for this. Both sides are technically correct. This is the current mill levy in Wichita, 114.4 mills, where the property tax bill is divided between the state, county, city, and school district. The 7.511 mill rate for the 2008 bond accounts for about 6% of your property tax bill. This is how this 7.511 breaks down in terms of home values, based on the formula used in Kansas to calculate the property tax bill. For a $100,000 home, that bond tax rate turns into about $85. For a $200,000 home, the school bond portion is about $170. And for a $500,000 home, it's about $430 for the school bond. If the $450 million Wichita school bond passes, this rate will remain on your bill through at least 2045. If the new bond is voted down, it will be removed from your property tax bill when the 2008 bond is retired, which won't happen for a few more years. But here's the thing, while the tax rate for the bond will remain the same, home values tend to increase. Since the last bond was passed in 2008, home values have increased more than 70%, according to data collected by the St. Louis Federal Reserve. On average, the increase was 10% in 2023 and 24, and just announced 9% for 2025, according to the Sedgwick County Appraiser's Office. Hypothetically, let's play this out. For 2045, if home values increase 70% again. For that $100,000 home, if the value increased by some 70%, the value becomes $170,000. The bond tax rate of 7.511 becomes nearly $150 for that property tax bill. A $200,000 home increased 70% becomes $340,000, with the bond tax rate equating to nearly $300. And a $500,000 home becomes $850,000, with the bond tax rate equating to nearly $735. When you look at surrounding districts in the Wichita Metro, Wichita has the lowest bond mill levy rate, followed by Goddard and Hayesville. Andover has the highest with 27 mills. For Fact Finder, Sean Logging, 12 News.